want to be able to see the audience. Tonight, I am also Tasha Williamson, as I am Earl McNeil, as I am Lamontes Jones, who was killed by San Diego police in 2015, and the officers who killed him did not even have their body-worn cameras on. I am Anthony Ashford, a black male who was killed by Oceanside Harbor police, where the video footage from the hotel room and the police was never released. I filmed cops. As Elaine Brown from the Black Panthers pointed out, they're pigs. Call them what they are pigs. The chief of the National City Police Department is a pig for his behavior. But he's transparent in what police departments are really about. We wouldn't even be here demanding video camera footage for Tasha Williams' arrest had I been respected as my constitutional right to film public servants as I was blocked. They obstructed my right to film. They obstructed my right to protect her. This is what I do in the community because I don't trust police at all. I don't talk to police. There's nothing to say. I show up at Mid-City Station when somebody goes into, and there's been raps where people have gone to the Mid-City Station. There have been 12 officers at a time. They would put a body wrap on somebody for some from psychiatric emergency. I go to film, they try to obstruct us there. We get retaliated against because we're actually doing the transparency work for the police.
And for you.
We're doing it for city council members. We're doing it for the community. So this is not just Earl McNeil. This is not just Tasha Williamson. This is people that are protectors of their community, that stand up, that say, fuck the system,
Yes.
say, fuck the police.
Yes.
And we are protecting people from these tyrant pigs
Yes.
who decide to sit in a city council meeting and smile as somebody was explaining how a person died.
Can you please summarize?
I don't know, what does everybody have to say? Justice for all is here! Fuck the police! Fuck the police! And you're we're interrupting on our handcuffs. What does that say? What does that say?
Okay, please stop.
You're not black.
You're interrupting while black are getting handcuffed.
All right.
You're not black.
You know black.
You know what it is. You know what it is.
Christina, you follow my speed door.